Run. To move swiftly on foot. He decided to run a marathon next month. The children run around the playground every day. Jump. To push oneself off a surface and into the air. The cat can jump over the fence easily. The monkey jumps up and down happily. Swim. To move through water by moving parts of the body. He learned how to swim at a young age. The 3 fish swim in the lake. Dance. To move rhythmically to music. They love to dance to their favorite songs. He took lessons to learn how to dance hip-hop. Write. To form letters or words on a surface. He likes to write in his journal every evening. She will write a letter to her friend on her computer. Sing. To produce musical sounds with the voice. They sing in the choir every Sunday. She loves to sing in the shower. Cook. To prepare food by heating it. She plans to cook a special dinner tonight. They cook together every weekend. Draw. To make a picture or diagram by making lines on a surface. She likes to draw portraits of her friends. He will draw a map for the treasure hunt. Climb. To go up or ascend, especially by using the hands and feet. She decided to climb the mountain next weekend. The puppy loves to climb the rock wall. Read. To look at and understand written or printed matter. She reads a book every night before bed. She likes to read the newspaper in the morning. Build. To construct by putting parts together. They plan to build a new house next year. He likes to build model airplanes. Paint. To apply color to a surface. He will paint his room a bright purple color. She paints pictures during art class. Fly. To move through the air using wings or an aircraft. The butterflies fly around the tree. She learned how to fly a plane last year. Fix. To repair something that is broken or damaged. She likes to fix old cars in her spare time. He will fix the cracked wall tomorrow. Teach. To impart knowledge or skill to someone. She will teach the new students next semester. He loves to teach children how to play the guitar. Catch. To capture or seize, especially after a chase. She managed to catch the pillow just in time. The penguin tried to catch the fish. Throw. To propel through the air with a motion of the arm. He will throw the ball to his teammate. He likes to throw the frisbee at the park. Grow. To increase in size by natural development. They grow flowers in their backyard garden. She wants to grow her hair out long. Clean. To make something free of dirt or impurities. She will clean the house before the guests arrive. He likes to clean the carpet with a vacuum. Drive. To move or travel on land in a motor vehicle. She will drive to the beach this weekend. He learned how to drive a truck. Walk. To advance or travel on foot at a moderate speed. They walk to work every morning. She likes to walk her dog in the evening. Laugh. To make sounds and movements that express amusement. They made everyone laugh with their jokes. He likes to laugh at funny movies. Play. To engage in activities for enjoyment and recreation. They like to play in the yard after school every day. He will play the piano at the recital. Study. To devote time and attention to acquiring knowledge. She needs to study for her exams. He likes to study math in his spare time. Push. To exert force on something to move it away. He had to push the door open because it was stuck. She likes to push the cart in the supermarket.
Thanks for watching.